Well, I have this door panel off for speaker upgrades and a door handle carrier. Before I do any deadening, I figured I would test and just do a little comparison video. See if I can hear the difference after I do deadening. I'll do some deadening inside the door, and not a full coverage, maybe 50%, something like that. But we'll see if there's any difference. Okay, so finished deadening this door, or at least as much as I'm going to do. I'm pretty happy with it. It's not full coverage, but at some point I think you hit diminishing returns. It's pretty good. I wish there was something to do to make this a little stronger, but that's just the way the E53 door is designed. If you do something to fill that, you probably can't get the window regulators out. But, oh, I also wrapped all the wires in fabric tape, so should be less vibration if there was any to begin with. And let's see if this makes a difference. Oh, it's definitely deader. Definitely deader. I might actually put some down here because I can tell the difference on the bottom from the top. Where the deadener is and then where it's not. Oh yeah, okay. We'll put some down there. Alright. I'll check back after I do that. Okay, this is where I'm going to call it a day on the sound deadening. This is more than I wanted to do. I'll have to order some more to actually to get the rear doors done. Knowing how much I'm going to use on the passenger front. This is a fun job, working around all the thin sheet metal. At least it's a German car, so that the sheet metal's a little bit thicker and not quite as slice your hand off. Still hurts though. Okay, so now where we ended up. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. Okay, well, that's as good as I'm going to get it. I don't want to invest any more time. It already taken me most of the day to do this. Between all the wrapping and the sound deadening. I can't put this back together. I'm waiting on a couple door clips. This one here, which breaks almost anytime you take the panel off. I have plenty of the other little small ones. What else? Oh yeah, I'm waiting for a capacitor for my tweeter, which mounts up here. And other than that, then I can put this back together. Oh, my door handle carrier, the thing that originally prompted this. Yeah, my door handle carrier comes in this week, so I'll get that put in, and then I can finally button this door up. Maybe I'll get started on the other side. But honestly, I'm tired of looking at the at the dampener. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's dampening on the or damping, not dampening, damping on the on driver's door of an E53. All right, can't wait to actually play these new speakers on the new system and hear what they actually going to sound like. Alright, so a little update. Fortunately, I decided to test everything. It would suck to put the door panel back on and then figure this out. But the dampeners, or the dampers that I bought for the speakers, these, and they're really nice. They're very absorbent, very plush. It seems like they would do exactly what they're designed to do, almost like memory foam. But they're very dense, I should say. But the problem was they're a little too thick. So when I went to use my window, it would just hit on this side. The door curves a little bit here, so the window kind of comes in here, and it would hit just this top part a little bit. But if you're watching this, you're familiar with E53s. The window regulators like to break for like no reason whatsoever. So I went and took it out, and I cut about half of it, and that should give me the clearance that I need. Was this easy or fun? No. But I like the way these look and the way they function, so I mean, I'll lose half of the mass that it had, but you know, it is what it is. It's better to lose that and have the window not be impeded. So let's test this and see if it works. I don't think it'll have a problem, but let's try it out. Yeah, now it clears. Whereas before it was hitting. Good. Okay, that's it, guys. I'll link these in the bottom, but if you can just buy thinner ones, that'd be easier. It'd be the easier way to go. You can see how thick they are left. Like I said, I took about half of it. But if you can find thinner ones, that'd be even better. So I just wanted to give that a little update because I ran across that